be your boy, flamboyant lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, and the other names. And in the toss be brave. And this be matter come. What be the matter where you come? I same way, as I am mobile. The matter where you come be say, you know, say the airlines where them dey no, obia on the rules and regulation here there, a govern. Because institution be na so no rules and regulation here there, e govern na institution here there, akoso airlines together my own. Where this woman can board some airline be, you be commercial airline, a commercial airline, a coba. This woman did a commercial airline inside of trying to take it to ABBA. Already, when the airline and the catcher said, on found a bag and then and share cabinet room. Also, more cabinet was through will be adding luggage this bed and a better share. Airline and the catcher is on for seminar. This woman say you no go do. The reason why this woman no go do be say, he said the bag, you know, it be expensive bag. Bag in the board them pint, you know, until me for bag in here and show. And see, a corner sound, plenty disturbances come the words, the plane inside, or casa on top of him of a voice, or casa baby. And go for crowd or man be 2 more plane more come baby or more come yeah, there's one way. Go for baby or man to say, oh, about Tobo because Ellen and no say fashion. Bag ni expensive bag and here the fashion on the uncle. Still this woman say no go what, no go tiasie. Gidi. Where 2 officers. Oh, more poster, or more airport one, or more brown, plane no catch and say, ah, then now, oh yes, where they explain the matter, no show the what, the officers, no. They explain the matter, show the officers, no. Where the officers need to were trying to what, convince the what, the woman, no. I'm not trying to convince him, say, all obliged by the rules, no. No more for your money, she come, not playing here there. And to still the woman say no go tiasie. Now in there. Bag in there no board him pa. So he left no choice say officers in bed ever pound them if you play not play na too. This led to so many people for the plane inside no. I imagine so munko bio. Until be more cancel or more flight. Because you said the disturbances in a woman no cause or plane no. And you too very loud and very harshly. Obi wa on pesa, obi wa no because I know too kwine. Because plane man kasa yen go for baby in the people mutra. Of the anxieties and the say fear in the woman. So it led to so many people make them do what? Make them cancel them a flight. This be the matter way what? It come. You know say this life where we dey inside no. If you know the humble yourself, you know good. Because a commercial way na commercial plane eba. And then you can yourself a bag share. You know say you no go put your bag for there. Then go take what? The private jet some. Private jet day plenty day. You book now, they will come. Your location, they will come set the thing. They can pick you from where you go no. So go put that what that private jet some then take go where you go no. Instead of going to disturb people, where they go do the matin for what? The place where they won't go do the matin no. This thing it dey plenty women that my life inside. Or baby or her until some say, okasa until okasa under and over sorry. Okasa unjina and obeda. This is something where they go where pride. I share and go for baby akuma common rules and regulations. Omeso be this so. Omeso be this no one in this woman. Because plane clashes now there I okoso. It be human error. It can be what? It can be weather. Them plenty things where they go away, they make what? Plane they crash. Why human error? No, these things should there more. Because luggage is there. And so we share the luggage is no the quantity. And some of them share baby so because I no or mama tell be bia no there over plane and too bar. Baby obaka for bag share bia na baby obaka tena bia na baby obaka say fa we to no. Ono ye tini no to the level so ni bia. And to akacha na ya e beti mama plane na there akohwe ase. Where obi nipa da se ni anti asem we ase. You pay me pa. You pay me so to the extent say human being and say if we are no why we they take this life go? This life where we dey, you know what they go anywhere. It just be humbleness. Any osetie, any adwen awa or the bowa bra. You do your mind say you know. You do your mind say who was can to umbu obiana. Go spy much, plenty people did there, where them no cry, then get money past people where they live. Then get money past people where cry no, they figure say they get money. But them watch you where they lay there. They are living their lifeless. Now they don't know the time where they go die. Now they don't know the time say time where na emre we made them and so where then omuguo. So who are or your bar or your bema brown wase. And Bra said there, it take you go different places without not uttering word. And Bra said credit me be then climb out. I'm a choir already 10 years, 5 years before umpire. And Bra said to me, I'm a run baby I saw it then run. Where can be now I'm go forward you go. And when you go be I know my right. I know my right. Only a ban in the Berman Jenny Boma. Be come on. Now fair I deny then. Apple. In Kaina Bibia come awari. What I say? This be thing with me flambo. I will talk, then I will what? I will make you understand. So you too, if you get what? If you get commenter, obey me there, talk, come on. I think Trebia is welcome. No be so far woman, no I so a faithful to our so then. Woman. And make sure say you go subscribe to our channel. It be what? Too much G8. It be very important. You share, you like, so that plenty of people with them they know they go spy the video no. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Stay blessed. Bye.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam, I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy what? Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me dey the Isaac Ojuampo, we betumi afem the great tempo. Mbring. One man come when you hear Too Much GH. Too much GH. Mu too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.